Oh,
There it was. There it was.
oh gosh, that was good. Oh my goodness.
Catch you, So now, well, obviously, you just told me everything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kind of run everything down.
Okay.
Main thing, lower right.
Yes.
This area.
Yes.
And then even like you were saying, going.
Yes.
Okay. And I know even L5 area.
Yeah.
And then it's kind of coming down.
Yes. Like I always say my butt out area, but of course you know probably better than I do. But that whole area.
Okay. And you said, what was it, last month when you were lifting?
Like I had to last month after I lifted, the next day it was just, and then because I can't sleep on my back, I have to have a pillow up under me to sleep on my stomach.
Okay.
And when I do lay down, my whole right side kind of leans to the right more. It's not flat. I have to the pillow levels me out.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So. I sound jacked up, must be. Oh God.
All that side, and then I know you're saying just some tightness.
Yeah.
Up top.
Yeah. Kid, that's my first time hearing him say dang. When I be watching, I ain't heard him say dang. I must be bad off.
I get you right. Go face down on the table for me.
Okay.
Let's check that leg length here. Alright, left leg is definitely pulling shorter. I mean, half-inch shorter almost, so. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
Okay.
Gets a little tight in here. No pain with any of that?
No.
Okay. Yeah, so you got the lower cervical, upper thoracic. Okay. How's it feeling when I get lower?
Yep.
You feeling it?
Yeah, right there, a little lower. Yes.
Okay. So yeah, L5, even sacrum, a little bit more right side, so a little bit more on that right side.
Even when I lift my leg up right now, I feel the pain.
Just that little bit?
Yes.
Point to it when you're...
Right here.
Okay.
I know that's a weird spot, but...
No. Okay, so it's all that. Well, literally, like you said, over the, like the buttocks.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got a new device today.
Oh.
This is going to just break up all adhesions.
Okay.
Raise that leg up again a little bit.
It's almost like dead smack in the middle of both either crack area or piece.
In here?
Yes. That's where I have my sister separated and then I feel
Right in here?
yes.
Oh yeah. Start with the adjustment right in that cervical thoracic junction here. There we go. Okay. And that, it's a little bit more of the upper thoracic.
Yeah.
Let's hit that middle thoracic. Good. Now this one with the lower thoracic, let me get you to take a deep breath in and out. Good. Gonna rotate you also. Oh, there it was. Yeah, that gets upper lumbar, lower thoracic.
He even did that or whatever. That
Even all in the hip?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Ooh.
There we go. Be your my terms. Bend down for me. Come on up. Bend down again. Good. Come on. We gotta get a little bit up here. Your trap side. Just a little bit tight here. Better? Still short on that left side though. Raise your right leg up for me. All the way up, all the way up. Any pain doing that?
On the way up, it was here.
Okay. Cross your right foot over your left one.
I wish I could do this. I can't do this in the bed. Oh. Ooh.
Actually, come down just a little bit on the table. Yeah, there we go. she's almost like completely balanced.
Oh, I needed that.
Raise that leg up again. All the way up, all the way. How'd that feel?
Good. I didn't feel no pain.
Heck yeah.
Thank God. Ooh.
Let's check this side real quick. There it was. And you're balanced.
Thank you.
Flip onto your back for me. Okay. Alright, relax this leg. Bring to that leg pull. Get some release in the ankle, the knee, up to that hip.
Ooh.
Heck yeah. There we go. There we go.
No! Oh, gosh.
Catch your breath.
Oh, gosh. That was good. Oh, my goodness.
Catch your breath.
Oh.
What did you feel?
The whole middle just opened up like a slinky. Just, oh, that felt good. Ooh.
Yeah, I would say you were due for this.
Yes, I was. I can't get I gotta stop like prolonging it too because I know I'm supposed to do it a certain amount of times. Ooh. Okay. That was good.
How do you feel?
Good. I feel good. Let me get up and stretch.
Yeah.
That feels good.
Jeez.
Yeah. Ooh, that's good because sometimes I be so tired I can't, go all the way down like I want to. Oh yeah, that feels good. I don't feel any because I usually feel tension and pinching and stuff like aches when I do that for my morning stretch. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh, I feel taller. Thank you.
Heck yeah, no, you are welcome.